My talk was about self-selection, and self-selection is a process of asking people to choose which team they want to work in, basically who they want to work with and what they want to work on. We know that the best way of working is to be in small cross-functional teams, and some companies are born agile, like Spotify, and the big question for us is, what about the rest of us? Companies who are not in stable teams just yet. And one of the ways of quickly and efficiently getting into stable teams is to put that problem, that puzzle, to people who do the actual work. Because I believe they know more about who they want to work with and what's best for the company and how they can get the best results. So we have developed a process, a repeatable process about how to iteratively, within a day or less, get into a number of cross-functional teams. I've done this several times with many companies, but I actually want to talk about the very first one, which is TradeMe, a New Zealand e-commerce company. And the problem we were facing there was get into cross-functional teams quickly. And we decided that we, first of all, needed to convince everyone that it was a good idea that people know best. We managed to do that, to inspire people to give each other the chance to create those cross-functional teams. And the process looks a bit like this, that we first have product owners, and product owners pitch to the people who do the work. And they have 3 to 5 minutes to describe what the squad is about, what the purpose and mission is of the squad. And after that, we have a number of self-selection rounds where people choose by putting their photo into a team where they want to work. It never works in the first attempt or the first round. So what usually happens is that it's 2 or 3 or 4 rounds until people have negotiated how to solve that puzzle and figured out how we get from no teams into, for example, the 16 teams that we needed. It looks actually really similar to the New Zealand Agile community. We are a really small community too. And I think keep doing what you're doing, because what I observe is that you, like New Zealanders, are so fearful of being left behind that you're overcompensating and you're actually ahead, which I think is awesome. So I think you've got a great community, keep doing what you're doing.